Welcome to the channel. My name is Gennetta and this is B&G TV. So today I am sharing a day in the life. My husband and I are off today for the holiday, so we're planning to do a lunch date. We'll probably just grab something quick to eat and we may go bowling. So I'm not sure if we'll eat at the bowling alley or eat afterwards, but we'll see. So this morning I went to the gym and did 30 minutes on the treadmill, and I came back home and did a 20-minute Chloe Ting workout. And now I'm down here in the kitchen preparing some tea, and I have rice cooking, and I'm also going to do a little meal prep. So I'm going to cook these chicken thighs in the air fryer. And I also have some turnip greens that I cooked yesterday, so I'll add that. So I'll have chicken thighs, turnip greens, and rice for my lunch throughout the week. So I'm going to get that done, and then we're going to head out. Won both games, but I was right behind them a little bit. I think I did good today. I got a couple of strikes. That was fun. So I think we're getting pizza for lunch. I think. So I can't wait for that.
are you? What's up? What's going on? Simple truth, I'm low. Let's get it on. Touching the